Hello and welcome to Healing Natural. Today we will talk about the natural ways to boost your immune system. Be sure to like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. So, let's get going. Regularly eating a variety of nutritious foods rich in vitamins and minerals, such as citrus fruits and spinach, can help boost your immune health. Immune system boosters. Feeding your body certain foods may help keep your immune system strong. Citrus fruits. Most people turn straight to vitamin C after they've caught a cold. That's because it helps build up your immune system. Vitamin C is thought to increase the production of white blood cells, which are key to fighting infections. Almost all citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. With such a variety to choose from, it's easy to add a squeeze of this vitamin to any meal. Popular citrus fruits include grapefruit, oranges, clementines, tangerines, lemons, limes. Because your body doesn't produce or store it, you need daily vitamin C for continued health. The recommended daily amount for most adults is 75 mg for women, 90 mg for men. If you opt for supplements, avoid taking more than 2,000 mg a day. Also keep in mind that while vitamin C might help you recover from a cold quicker. Red bell peppers. If you think citrus fruits have the most vitamin C of any fruit or vegetable, think again. Ounce for ounce, red bell peppers contain almost 3 times as much vitamin C, 127 mg, as a Florida orange, 45 mg. They're also a rich source of beta-carotene. Besides boosting your immune system, vitamin C may help you maintain healthy skin. Beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, helps keep your eyes and skin healthy. Broccoli. Broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fiber and many other antioxidants, broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can put on your plate. The key to keeping its power intact is to cook it as little as possible, or better yet, not at all. Research has shown that steaming is the best way to keep more nutrients in the food. Garlic. Garlic is found in almost every cuisine in the world. It adds a little zing to food and it's a must-have for your health. Early civilizations recognized its value in fighting infections. Garlic may also slow down hardening of the arteries, and there's weak evidence that it helps lower blood pressure. Garlic's immune-boosting properties seem to come from a heavy concentration of sulfur-containing compounds, such as allicin. Ginger. Ginger is another ingredient many turn to after getting sick. Ginger may help decrease inflammation, which can help reduce a sore throat and inflammatory illnesses. Ginger may help with nausea as well. While it's used in many sweet desserts, ginger packs some heat in the form of gingerol, a relative of capsaicin. Ginger may also decrease chronic pain and might even possess cholesterol-lowering properties. Spinach. Spinach made our list not just because it's rich in vitamin C, it's also packed with numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene, which may both increase the infection-fighting ability of our immune systems. Similar to broccoli, spinach is healthiest when it's cooked as little as possible so that it retains its nutrients. However, light cooking makes it easier to absorb the vitamin A and allows other nutrients to be released from oxalic acid, an anti-nutrient. Yogurt. Almonds. Sunflower seeds. Turmeric. Green tea. Papaya. Papaya is another fruit loaded with vitamin C. You can find double the daily recommended amount of vitamin C in a single medium fruit. Papayas also have a digestive enzyme called papain that has anti-inflammatory effects. Papayas have decent amounts of potassium, magnesium, and folate, all of which are beneficial to your overall health. Kiwi. Like papayas, kiwis are naturally full of a ton of essential nutrients, including folate, potassium, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts the white blood cells to fight infection, while kiwi's other nutrients keep the rest of your body functioning properly.